Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make poached eggs the only way. First, let's gather our simple ingredients and tools. You'll need very fresh eggs, a medium pot, a slotted spoon, and a small bowl. Fill your pot with about 4 inches of water and add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. This helps the egg whites set beautifully. Now, bring that water to a gentle simmer, ensuring it's not boiling vigorously. Now, let's prepare our eggs. The key to a perfect poached egg is to crack each one individually into a small bowl or ramekin first. This prevents the yolk from breaking and allows you to gently slide the egg into the water. Never crack them directly into the pot, as this can cause the whites to disperse. For optimal results, prepare 1 or 2 eggs at a time. With your water at a gentle simmer, it's time to poach. Carefully slide each egg from its bowl into the water. Cook them for precisely 3 minutes if you prefer a wonderfully runny yolk. For a slightly firmer yolk, you might add another 30 seconds. Once cooked, use your slotted spoon to gently lift the egg out, allowing any extra water to drain away. And there you have it, a perfectly poached egg. Serve these beauties immediately on your favorite toast, with avocado, or atop some fresh greens. A sprinkle of salt and freshly ground black pepper is all they need. Remember, using very fresh eggs is crucial for achieving that ideal compact shape. With a little practice, you'll be poaching like a pro every single time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.